Hi everyone. Today topic is greedy algorithm. What is greedy? Greedy algorithm builds a solution step by step by always choosing the best immediate choice. This is called greedy method. What is the basic idea behind this? Choose the best option now and move forward without reconsidering previous choice. Okay, choose the best option now and move forward without reconsidering previous choices. This is the basic idea behind the greedy algorithm. So these are the characteristics of greedy local optimal choice. Then no backtracking, step-by-step solution, usually efficient. So when does greedy work? The greedy choice property. The local optimal choice leads to the global optimal solution means we choose this method. And also optimal substructure. An optimal solution contains the optimal solution of its subproblem. So each subproblem contains an optimal solution to reach the final optimal one means we choose this greedy method. This is the workflow of greedy algorithm. So important thing is this is the basic idea behind the greedy. Okay, choose the best option now and move. The currently which one is best, take that option and move forward. Don't think about the previous answer. Okay, this is the main idea behind the greedy algorithm. This is one application. Knapsack problem always follow this greedy concept. So what is knapsack initially? So knapsack means one container, one bag. Okay, so give us in problem is given set of items are there. Each item contains some weight and profit. Okay, set of items there, each item contain weight and profit, that value, and the knapsack capacity is there. Okay, so this is W is the knapsack capacity. These are the items we will include in the knapsack. So each item contain weight and profit. Okay, weight and profit. What is the goal here? Select items to maximize total profit without exceeding the capacity W. So within the capacity we can add the items which will give the highest profit. This is the goal of this knapsack problem. So actually two types of knapsack problem is there. One is 0 divided by one knapsack problem. Another one is fractional knapsack problem. So fractional knapsack problem only follow this greedy method. In fractional knapsack we can take part of an item. Example, vegetables, rice, sugar, milk. So if a bag can hold only 4 kg but available vegetable weight is 10 kg. So we can take only 4 kg because vegetable can be divided, right? So fractional knapsack allows us to break items into smaller parts. If 100 percentage is there, we can take 50 percentage, 25 percentage. It is possible in fractional knapsack problem. But in 0 divided by 1 knapsack, we must take the whole item or leave it. Example, TV, fridge, laptop, we cannot divide those items, right? So if bag capacity is small, we cannot take half TV. We cannot take 25 percentage of laptop. So either take the item completely or do not take it. So this means 0 divided by no. Does not allow splitting items. Okay. If you take whole item means put it as 1. If you don't take that item, the particular item means put it at 0. Okay. Likewise solve the problem in 0 divided by knapsack. But in fractional we can take the sum part of item from the whole items. Whole items. Clear? Okay. So in fractional knapsack only follow this greedy. So in greedy strategy in fractional knapsack means first find the profit density ratio. What is profit density ratio? So we already given the problem is have the two weights. Each item have two values. One is profit, one is weight. Using those value find the profit density ratio. The formula is profit divided by weight. Okay, you find the profit density of all the items given in the problem. Then arrange all items based on the profit divided by weight, that ratio in descending order. Okay, highest ratio items place it in first place. So take full item if it fits, otherwise take the record fraction to fill remaining capacity. This is the idea behind this. Okay, so what is the first step in this fractional knapsack problem? We find the profit density ratio and arrange the items in descending order of the profit density ratio value. Okay, and then what is the goal here? Select items to maximize total profit, right? So this is the workflow of fractional knapsack. List all items with the profit and weight and compute the profit density value. Then sort items in decreasing order of profit density. Select item in this order, take full or fraction until capacity is full. Okay, we can take small part of items. So then finally find the profit. Clear? Then so this is on example. Okay, these are the given data. Some items are there. So each item have some profit and weight value. The knapsack capacity also there. Here the knapsack capacity is 10. Okay, in fractional, what is the idea behind this fractional knapsack? We can take full item or fraction of an item. Clear? Okay, then calculate profit density value using the formula profit divided by weight. Okay, these are the profit density value. This is the first step. Then sort items in decreasing order of profit density, right? So what is the highest profit? 8. So 8 is placed in the first position. Item number 5 placed in the first position. Likewise, you arrange all the items in descending order. Clear? Okay. Then how to fill the knapsack? So which item have highest profit density? We take that item first and put it into the knapsack. Clear? So here the item number 5 is the highest profit density, that is 8. Clear? Then choose first that item first. The item chosen, that is 5. What is the actual weight of this item? That is 1, right? What is the profit? The profit is 8. Profit are already given. These are already given, right? So the item number 5, what is the weight? Weight is 1, profit is 8, right? Then what is the capacity left? Here the item number 5 is total weight is 1 kg, right? 1 kg. The knapsack capacity is 10 kg. What is the available capacity? So, initially the knapsack capacity is 10 kg. So here the item number 5 capacity is 1. So we can take the full item and put it in the knapsack, right? So now what is the available capacity? 10 minus 1, the available capacity is 9. Clear? Available capacity left. So capacity left 9. So fraction taken, put it as 1. So if you take the whole item and put it into the knapsack, means you write 1 here. And fraction taken value is 1. Clear? So what is the next highest profit density? That is item number 2. The item number 2 weight is 3 and profit is 15, right? Weight is 3 and profit is 15. Then remaining capacity is capacity left is 9, right? So here we can add the full item. Because the available capacity is 9, we can take the whole item, right? So weight of the item number 2 is 3. So 9 minus 3, the capacity left, that is 6. So here also we take whole item. So put it as 1 here. Then next highest profit is 3. Here the two items have same profit density. We can take 2 or 3 first. Okay. Then here item chosen 3. What is the weight and profit of particular item? So 2 and profit is 10, right? So remaining capacity, so already available capacity is 6. We added this item also. So 6 minus 2, now available capacity is 4. So here also we take the whole item. So put it as 1 here. Then next highest profit density, the item number 1. What is the weight and profit of the particular item number 1? That is 3 and 10, right? So 3 kg. So here profit left is 4. 4 minus 3, now available capacity is 1, right? So here also we take the whole item. So put it as 1. In next is only one item is available, but only one item is there. The available capacity is 1, but the actual weight of the particular item number 4 is 5. But here we cannot take whole item because the available capacity is 1 kg, right? So here we take only one part from the 5 parts. So 5 kg, we can take only 1 kg is possible. So in fourth item we take partial 1 kg only. So this is the fraction. Total weight is 5. So we can take only 1 kg from 5 kgs. So here fraction taken is 1 divided by 5. Then how to find this 2.4 profit taken? So in all other, you directly put the profit value here, right? But in fourth item, we cannot directly put the profit value because we take only partial value, items, right? So how to find this? 1 divided by 5 into total profit, that is 2. The fraction into multiply the total profit. 1 divided by 5 into 12, the answer is 2.4. Okay. How to find it? What is the fraction value here? We take, so this is the fraction value. Only 1 kg among 5 kgs into, what is the actual profit of the item number 4? That is 12, right? 12. So then we give this answer 2.4. Then how to find the final profit? So finally add these all things. This is the maximum profit we obtained. Clear? So this is the detailed table. These are the items considered in ascending order after the calculation of profit density, right? So this is the actual weight and profit of all the items. This is profit density value. This is the fraction taken. So full item, full item, full item. Here only take the partial items. Then find the weight, the total weight of this. So this is no changes in items, right? So these are the fraction taken. This is the x value, okay, xi value. Then weight taken means xi into wi, the particular weight. So 1 into 1 using this formula. So xi into wi weight taken. Xi into pi means profit taken. So xi, these are the fraction taken is xi. So we multiply this xi with wi, then get the weight taken, and xi with the profit. Pi means we get the profit taken. Okay, these are the actual value. Then total weight and total profit, we add those all things and find the value here. Add these all things, that is total weight. Okay, 9 plus 1. So then add these all things and get this total. How to fill this value here? 1 plus 3, 3 plus 2, likewise. Add 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Likewise, we fill this table, okay. Likewise, here also, based on this value, fill this table. 8 plus 15, 23, 23 plus 10, 33, 33 plus 10, 43, 43 plus 2.4, that is 45.40. This is the capacity left. Okay, finally, the knapsack capacity is 0. We can add all the items. Some items are full, some items are partial. Finally, get the maximum profit. Okay, here the fractional knapsack problem using greedy method. Clear? Always remember the total weight does not exceed, cannot exceed the capacity. Okay, this is the formula to find the maximum profit. This is the simple formulas are there. Okay, so this is the fractional knapsack problem using greedy method. So we take a first item based on the highest profit density ratio. Then add the item one by one based on the available knapsack capacity. If you have any doubt, write it in the comment section. Thank you.